Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about hedging, what is hedging and how it can help you to become a better investor. Hedging is a risk management strategy which practically means is when you take in the positions into the opposite directions to minimize your risks. That's it. But it's very hard to understand it without having a look at the real examples. In the real life world, it means when you take in a position during the bull market, you're taking the position in the bear direction, and during the bear market, you're taking a position during the bull towards the bull direction. That's it. And here's a back test of my best performing investment strategy. And as you see, that's the returns for the last 5 years. And in 2022, when during the bear market, uh, it was their performance, it was not very good. I tried more than 30 different variations to minimize this drawdown, but none of them was actually successful. So I decided I wanted to create a hedging strategy to improve those numbers. And this is exactly what I did. I asked AI to create me this strategy. I outlined all the characteristics it needs to do, and then I asked AI to iterate and to backtest to improve it. And AI ran 20 different backtests and came up with a strategy which improved those numbers. And here you have, this is the numbers without hedge, and this is the numbers with a hedge. So, and although it slightly reduced the returns of my main strategy, the relative numbers are better. As you see, without hedge, the drawdown of 2022 was minus 31%. With a hedge, the drawdown of this year is minus 20%. But overall performance of this strategy is plus 11 points, which is a good result considering that it's only additional hedging strategy, which is taking positions during the market, which is not going into my favor. So I definitely gonna go with this strategy. Maybe I'm gonna run additional couple of variations of improvements. But here, what I wanted to show you is how you can smartly use AI to write your strategy, to backtest your strategy, and to improve your current investment strategy. And I'm going to open the school community for the people who would like to learn it. And I will share everything I know in this community. And if you would like to learn how to improve your strategy, how to backtest your investment or trader strategy, how to become a better investor in general, or maybe how to reduce the headache of and how to automate your investment strategy or trader strategy by writing a trading algorithm which is going to be utilizing AI into your favor, feel free to join this community. I'm going to drop the link in the description section down below. Feel free to join.